Hello everyone, and in front of me is Xiaomi 15T Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone gallery. Now select the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit, and select add picture. Now just pick the album from which you want to choose your picture. You can also add some illustration. Okay, so just illustration, there is no monogram option. So here you can choose something if you wish. Then you can add the preset. You can crop it if you wish. But let me show you how to apply a photo. So open either your Google Photos, your gallery or camera if you wish to grab photos right away. If someone is sitting right in front of you, I'll go with something from my album. So here we've got the photo, then you can rotate it if you want to. Obviously you can zoom it in and out, then tap on choose and mark save to apply the change. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.